Eat out.
Eat
Restaurant.
No.
No?
I'm really into cook actually.
Oh, good. Maybe you should sell your cat. You could sell your cat and sell your laptop. Yeah.
If I drink a lot.
Ah, you drink a lot. Well, that's a problem too. Okay, so you said you wanted to have a look at the exam. So this is the one you did, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so A1. Yeah. You were given P, Q, yeah, and they ask you for the line perpendicular to the midpoint.
Yeah.
So the midpoint would be 7 minus 5, which is 2 over 2. And minus 2 minus 12 is minus 14 over 2 is minus 7. Yeah? And the M is minus 12 minus minus 2 over 7 minus minus 5. Right? Which is minus 10 over 12? Is that right?
12.
Yeah.
Which is minus 5 over 6.
Yeah.
So that means the M equals 6. Who's calling me? What? Oh, this again. 031. The, what did you say it was? Vietnamese? Thailand. Goodness sake. It's like every time this week. Isn't it like this class every week? Right, so M is 6 over 5. So that's Y equals MX plus C. And I have to use this point, don't I?
Yeah.
So that's minus 7 equals 6 over 5 plus C. So C, what's that, 31 over 5?
Did you put 5 in?
41.
Oh yeah, that's 1 over.
It's okay? Is it 35? 41, thank you. So Y equals 6 over 5x minus 41 over 5. But we're not finished because they said to write the answer as AX plus BY plus C. So what we need to do to finish, multiply by 5, and you get 6x, and that's a 5, minus 5y, minus 41 equals 0.
I got no memory at all.
No memory of this.
No
Do you remember this?
Yes, because the number is so strange.
Yeah, strange, isn't it? Yeah.
I remember I multiplied 5.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Huh?
I only remember I multiplied 5. That's
Oh, so
all.
then maybe it's right, yeah. Okay. Can we go to A2?
Yeah.
So A2 was the probability.
That's easy.
Yeah, the probability that it rains is 0.35. For 3 consecutive days, find the probability that it rains on the first 2 days, but not the third day. So that's rain, rain, not rain in the tree. And they tell us that this is 0.35, 0.35, 0.65. Yeah?
Yeah.
So the answer is 0.35 times 0.35 times 0.65. What's that, please, Ben? And they want 2 decimal places.
So 0.007.
0.
0.080.
Oh, hang on. 2 decimal places. 0.08. Yeah? That's okay?
Yeah.
It's fine? Okay. A tree, the quadratic equation has discriminant of 48. Find K. Do you want to have a look?
I asked John what's that mean, I think.
Discriminant?
Yeah, discriminant. Forgot.
You should know this word.
I guess. So I think I'm right.
She gave me some tapes, like, do you remember the roots? I said yes. So it's b squared minus 4ac.
B squared minus 4ac equals 48.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So k squared plus k equals 12.
Mm.
So k squared plus k minus 12 equals 0. So it's k plus 4, k minus 3, right?
Mm.
K equals 3 or minus 4.
Yeah.
Easy peasy?
Yeah.
Okay. Next one. The first term of a geometric series is 15625. The ninth term is 262.44. Find the OR.
I asked you this
Just
one.
over.
Just divide, yeah.
Divide.
So you get OR 8 equals 262.44 over 15625. And then Ben, you could also type in this 8 root.
It's gotta be. So,
Same too.
Terrible. What you get, Ben?
Wait a second. 26.
I think I got right this because I got whole number.
3 over 5.
What is it?
3 over 5.
300.
3 over 5.
3 over 5. Thank you. And then they want S infinity, which is A over 1 minus OR.
Yeah.
15625 over 2/5.
Mm.
What's that, please?
5, 6, 2, 5, divide 2.4. 39,062.5.
Yep. Continue?
Yeah.
Okay. A5, they want you to solve this. 3m squared times 8m cubed over 20m9 divided by 5m equals 3/4. Yeah. So this will be 3 times 8 over 20 divided by 5 times m2 plus 3 minus 9 minus 1 equals 3/4. Yes? 5, m minus 5, is it? Power minus 5? No. What? Yeah, minus 5. Minus 5. That equals 3 over 4 times 20 over 5 divide, so times 1 over 3 times 8. So
5
cancel,
over 24.
cancel. Thank you. This is right?
5 over 24.
5 over 24?
No?
That was 1 over 8. Because what I did,
3 over 24.
well, I brought this down
Yeah,
and I brought this up.
so it's.
So
Well, over
that cancel,
Wait.
that cancels that, yeah?
I think it's minus q. Oh, m cube. Minus q.
Hang on.
Because
5.
because 20 m.
Oh, sorry, yeah, it's divide this here. Yeah.
Also means
Plus,
yeah,
plus, thank you. So really,
it's
I was trying to make a shortcut, but I did it wrong. So it should be 2 plus 3 minus 9 minus 1.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, Ben. 5 minus 9, minus 3. That's better. That's better because it means it's 1 over m cubed equals, now 4 goes into that 5 times,
1 over 8.
and then 1 over, that's better. That's better because it means m is 2. Thank you, Ben. Thank you, Ben. Okay. Next.
That's yours?
No, I took this from a student. I don't know whose it is.
Okay.
I don't know what all the triangles are for. Right. A6. Tan squared theta equals 1 over 3. Theta is between minus pi and pi. So first we have to say tan theta equals 1 over root 3. Tan theta equals minus 1 over root 3. Yeah? Theta equals, what's tan inverse 1 over root 3, please?
Something at
I
30?
think it's 30.
30.
30?
30.
Or, what's the second answer?
30 plus pi, I think?
Yeah, so 210.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Oh,
And here is minus 30 or 150?
Yeah. So there's 3 answers?
No. This answer, you can change it by adding or subtracting 360. You can fix it.
Again?
Yeah. Oh, this is I'll have to. Yeah, I'll fix it later because it's radians. Yeah. Plus 360 is too big. What about if I minus 360? That's 30. If I minus 140, is it?
150.
I'm so tired. Too tired to think. 150. Thank you, Gail. 150 minus 30 or 150. So it looks like the answers are
4?
pi over.
We need
6.
radians.
Yeah, because I forgot they said this in the question for theta. Pi over 6.
No.
Yeah. 5 pi over 6. Pi over 6. 5 pi over 6. Did you use degrees?
I
think so.
only write the 2.
Only 2 answers, not 4?
Yeah.
So I lose 1 mark or 4 marks? Or
Maybe you lose 2 marks.
I thought I won't lose mark before, except I didn't finish one, you know. Like you say, 96 or something.
Yep. Okay. Next one, yeah? A7. Be strong. You have y equals 3x squared minus 14x plus 17, and they tell you that the slope, the gradient, is 4. Find the xy. So the trick is the gradient means dy dx.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that means 6x minus 14 is 4. That means 6x equals 18. So x is 3. And y, we have to put that in. So what's that? 9 minus 46 plus 17? 26? Oh, 27, sorry. Yeah, 27. No, it's not 45. It's 42. So let me see. 27 and 17. 44. 44 minus 2. The answer is 3, 2, I think. Yeah.
You want to know the why?
Yep.
This K.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, K is Y. Okay.
Yeah. Continue. A8. Y equals 2x cubed minus e power 3x. What's dy dx? Second derivative, sorry, d2y dx squared. So, yeah, second. So dy dx is 6x squared minus 3e3x. So d2y dx squared is 12x minus 9e3x. And what do they say the x is? They say the x is log 2. So that's 12 log 2 minus 9e3 log 2. That's equal to 12 log 2 minus 9e log 2 cubed. That's equal to 12 log 2 minus 9 2 cubed. 872, is it?
Is that
12 log 2 minus 72 equals log 2 power 12 minus 72. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 5, 12, 1024, 2048.
What?
Log 2048 minus 72. That's the answer, because look, in the question they say, give your answer in the form log A minus B.
Oh, I don't.
The 12?
No.
Huh?
9 is 3 log 2.
Yeah.
How to change this?
To this.
Yes. I just simplify this stuff.
No, sorry, could you show us more detail from the E ln to
Yeah.
cubed to the
This one.
2 cubed? Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. So this, oops, sorry. This is equal to this
Yeah. And
because xmn equals xm power n.
no, the next then.
Okay. Relax. So next, e log 2 is equal to 2 because log e2 and e log 2 are both equal to 2 because log and e cancel. Let me show you. E log 2 equals E. Now what is the meaning of log 2? So what does log 2 mean? Log 2 means E to what power makes 2? The answer is log E2. That's what goes there. That's what the meaning of log is, you know. Look, E power equals 2. What do you put here? You put here log base E2, right? Which is equal to ln2, right? So E ln2 is equal to 2. Yeah? So that becomes that.
Yeah, I remember the ELN like something. I know this can cancel the E and out, but it has 3, so I think.
Can cancel,
Yeah, so.
but you
just
can't.
Stop.
Oh. So if I only have 12 ln 2 minus 72, how many marks are those?
You should get two out of 4.
2 over 4?
Yeah,
Okay.
I think so. Oh, sorry. Next one. Integrate 3 over x squared minus x over 3 squared dx. That's equal integrate 9 over x4 minus 2 over x plus x squared over 9 dx.
Huh?
Yeah? Yeah? I got that right?
But it has a square.
I'm not finished. I just expanded. I opened. Is this right?
I think so.
Yeah? So this you should write it as x minus 4. So then this becomes 9x minus 3 over minus 3 minus 2 log x plus x cubed over 27 plus c. Yeah. Is that okay?
C.
Got the c.
I can't remember, I have no memory.
Okay. A10. Integrate 1 to 2. 6x squared minus 10x plus 1 dx. So that's 6x cubed over 3 minus 10x squared over 2 plus x, 1 to 2. That's a 2. That's a 5. We put in 2. 2, 4, 8, 16 minus 20 plus 2 minus 2 minus 5 plus 1 minus 2 minus what's that, minus 3 minus 2, 0?
Yeah.
Explain what the answer means.
What?
Part B.
I don't know.
I know.
What is it?
The above the curve and the below the curve, the area is the same.
That's it, yeah. So what it means is between 1 and 2, the total area above and the total area below are the same. So total area above x-axis equals total area below x-axis for x between 1 and 2.
Should we say that?
Might be okay not to.
So I just did same question before the.
Yeah. Comes up sometimes. Right, so how's section A? What do you think you got? 30 out of 40? 35 out of 40?
How many was the full
40.
Like 13.
I think he should be 6 marks.
You lost 6 marks?
I mean the 80 section A.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you think you got?
13 maybe.
30 out of 40? Yeah.
I don't know.
I lost 2 more marks.
But I thought you said you slept well.
Yeah, because I'm too confident to myself.
Ah, too confident. Aha, this is the problem.
I forgot C, forgot the law in the next.
Ah, okay. Will we start with B1 now? So you have 2x minus 5y minus 40 equals 0. Find where it crosses x and y axis. So that's easy. You make x equal 0, so that means y will equal 8? No, minus 8. And then you make y equal 0, so that means x equals 20. So the answer is it crosses at minus 8 and 20. Good. Part 2, they want this area. That area will be 10 times 8, which is 80. B, x cubed plus 7x squared minus 4x minus 28 is divided by 2x minus 1. What's the remainder? So the remainder will equal 1 over 2 cubed plus 7 times 1 over 2 squared minus 4 times 1 over 2 minus 28, which is 1 over 8 plus 7 over 4 minus 2 minus 28, which is, that's for 15 over 8 minus 30, I think. Yeah? That's 15 over 8 minus 240 over 8. Isn't it? Minus 225 over 8, which is minus 28, thank you.
Point something. 28.125.
No, it doesn't, yeah, point 125, okay. Right, next. They want you to divide x plus 7 in. Okay, so what's first? I think it's x squared. X cubed plus 7x squared leaves you with minus 4x minus 28. So minus 4. So minus 4x minus 28. There you go. And then they want the factors. So the factors are x plus 7, x plus 2, x minus 2. Okay. See part 1. You want to solve x plus 7 over 5 greater than or equal to 2. So that means x plus 7 greater than or equal to 10. So x is greater than or equal to 3. Okay, 2. They want you to solve this. Like this, I think. No. 5 and 2? Or maybe it doesn't have factors. No, 5 and 2.
Yeah.
Because that's minus and plus, yeah? Yeah?
It's minus. Yeah.
5 and minus 2 over 3. So the answer is x is between minus 2 over 3 and 5. Oops. And lastly, you want the integers not in both. So if you look here, what integers are not in this? 2 is not in it. 1 is not in it. Yes? 0, minus 1, etc., etc., etc. What are the integers not in this? 5 is not in it. 6 is not. 7 is not, etc., etc., etc. Minus 0 is not. Minus 1 is not. Oh, sorry, 0 is in it. Minus 1 is not. Minus 2 is not, etc., etc., etc. And we're looking for both, not in both. So what numbers have we got here? 5, minus 1, yeah, okay, so the answer is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. Oh!
Didn't they?
I misread it.
Oh.
I thought the question said list what's not in both.
It's in.
What is in both?
Yeah.
Sorry, thank you, thank you. So the answer here is 3, 4, 5, like this. And here is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And what's in both?
2,
3, 4. Do you think you got this question?
No. I wrong this question.
4.
Well, we go to B. Did you do B? You both did B1.
Who's big?
Did you do B2?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Love.
Good. Okay, B2. Probability of A is 3 over 10. Probability of B is P. Probability that A and B is 1 over 3. What's the P? So you have, what's happening is first you have A and then you have B. And this is 3 over 10 and this is P. So they're saying 3 over 10 times P equals 1 over 3. So P is, huh? Oh no, I misread it. It's 1 over 5, not 1 over 3. Two over 3, is it? 2 over 3. So, yeah. And then the next question is, what's the probability of not A and not B? So that's 7 over 10 times 1 over 3.
use 1 minus a and b.
1 minus a and b.
1 minus 1 over 5. But it's different answer.
Yeah, it's not this. Because Gao, it's like this.
Yeah, right now like this.
Yeah, so this here is not A intersect not B. So that's this, isn't it? But you said 1 minus A and B?
I is this.
Oh, hang on, let me think. No, hang on, I'm sorry, let me think. Not A intersect not B. That's this, isn't it? Yeah? For this guy? And you did 1 minus A and B?
Yeah, it's another, it's in A and B.
Ah, so I think what you calculated is this.
Okay.
So your answer was bigger than my answer. Yeah, because you said your answer is 4 over 5 and mine is 7 over 30. Yeah, okay. Right, what have we got here? 2 triangles. This side is 16, this side is 17, this side is 62, this side is 18, and they want CAB. They want this angle.
Some rules.
So we'll call that A. CAB. Oh, and you also know the area is 76.5 is the area. 76.5. Right, so I think the easiest thing to do would just be to say a half 18, 17 sine A equals 76.5. Yeah? Yes?
Should use this. God.
What did you use?
I used another.
Did you get 30?
30?
Yeah, that's 30.
Oh, yeah. Yes.
And then the next question is find ACD. ACD is this, was this angle.
Sine. And
Yeah.
Let me just put this in. This is 30.
Sine.
Sine rule, you think? Let me see. I could say 18. Yeah. I could say 18 over. Sine 62 over 18 equals sine C over 16.
I think there are some points something.
Maybe, yeah.
70 or something. I can't remember.
51.7.
Yeah.
Find DB. Interesting. They want you to find this length.
Yeah.
Cosine rule? No.
No, maybe if you have.
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah, because you know this angle, so you can know this angle. So in total, it's 96.3 for the whole angle. So you can say x squared equals 16 squared plus 17 squared minus twice 16, 17 cos 96.3. How's that going? 24.6. Yeah? Yes? Maybe.
We just use the capital something, just can return the angle, because in my opinion, my high school teacher
No.
used the angle.
Yeah. I'm being lazy. So when I write A, for example, if I write B, for example, like here,
It's the whole.
I'm being lazy. That does mean the whole angle.
Full.
Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah, no, I'm being very bad. I shouldn't do this. I'm just being lazy. Don't be lazy in the exam.
I just afraid something.
No, don't be like me.
Angle something.
Okay, we want to convert 1.92 radians into degrees. Multiply by 180 over pi.
No, multiply 5, 7.
Oh yeah, that too. That's fine. Yeah. That's the physics way. You should get the same answer, 110 degrees.
I think so.
Yeah. And lastly, sine theta is 9 over 41. What is cos theta? Okay, so
1 over
how'd you get cos theta?
square
Yeah, you draw the triangle.
and minus them.
What's it, 40?
I think that's
40, is it?
40 over 41.
Yeah.
Oh, you use.
Pythagoras.
We use the one.
Oh, that's fine. That's fine too. Yeah. That's fine. It's only 2 marks, you know. So I would get 1 mark for this and 1 mark for this. If you use the formula, then 1 mark and 1 mark. Right. We don't really have time to do another question, do we?
What's B3?
It's this one.
There's easy ones.
You did it?
I don't know. I can't remember.
Now, hang on. I'll tell you what one I want to know. Did you do 6?
Yeah, I do this, but I didn't have time to finish these.
Okay.
I don't have time to do this.
How many pieces? How many areas are here? How many integrations?
What's that mean?
Oh, okay. You know what I mean. How many of this integrations?
Oh. 2 and 0.5?
No, my question is how many of these do we have? How many?
Money?
Yeah, how many? To get the area.
In question C?
In this picture, I want this area. What do I integrate?
These first. 2.5 first. Right?
You tell me, how many? What's the first integration? From 0? Look, from 0 to what?
To half?
0.5.
Yeah.
And then,
Half to 2?
like this. Yeah? And then,
From x to 2.
like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, so there's 2.
No, to x, sorry.
Oh, to whatever x is. Yeah. 0.5 to x.
Mm-hmm.
So 2. It's not. It's 3.
And minus this triangle?
Yeah, well, what I think for this one is it's 0 to a half. Right, that's fine. And then it's a half to... yeah, okay, so you did it to here. I think you would have to do it to 2. And then minus
Small triangle.
the small triangle, which is x
2.
to 2. So there's 3 integrations.
Can't remember what I did.
See, this is very hard. You did this one?
Yeah.
It's very hard.
But I did the same before the exam.
Oh, okay.
But I don't have time, I think.
Did you do 5?
Yeah. I do.
Did you do 4?
I
The
do
log?
this one. I
Okay.
did this one.
Next time we'll continue with 3. When's our next maths class? Tomorrow? We have maths tomorrow? Maybe.
No.
No?
We have physics. We have maths on Friday afternoon.
2 hours?
Yeah, and Friday morning is 2 physics class. Tomorrow only 1 physics.
I only have you 1 hour tomorrow.
At 11.
Then this is my best day.
Okay.
Yeah? You only have me for 1 hour tomorrow. So this is your best day. Right?
Yeah.
How many hours of EAP do you have tomorrow?
3.
So it's your best day, your favourite day.
No.
No?